How to create and add category on WordPress menu. So first of all, tap on the post on your left side and then you need to go for categories. Once you are in, tap on add new category on the top right corner and name it whatever you want to go with. So let's say I want to go with tech category on my side. You can also add a nice description and then you need to tap on the add button. Once you do so, you just need to go back, and as you can see our new category is right here. So in order to add this on your menu, you just need to go to your WordPress site. So once you are in your editor, you just need to head over to the menus and then tap on the create new menu if you want to go with. Otherwise, if you have already, you can simply select anyone from that. So let's create a new menu as an example, and in the menu location you can select as many as possible. Once you are done, tap on the next button and then tap on the add item. From here you just need to select your category. So tap on the categories and as you can see this is the category that I have made earlier, and then you just need to tap on the add item, and as you can see we have this new menu on our site. So that was the process of how you can create and add category in WordPress.